Hi guys, it is Cammy, and in today's video I want to show you guys how I make my spikes using UV lash glue. And I'm so excited, guys. After I do my introduction, you guys have the option to take a class with me, learn how to do spiky lashes in every way possible with my new UV lash glue. All you gotta do is subscribe to my Patreon, and it's so affordable, and I go in detail, you guys. It's really detailed, and I recommend that you take a class. So much goes into making spikes. It's not that easy, guys. I have spent over a year, okay, perfecting how to make spikes with my UV glue. It was a lot of trial and error, and I would love to be able to share it with you guys. So make sure, you guys, every video I have Patreon. So yeah, I will see you there. Look at how beautiful my spikes are. I'm in full control over my spikes, and they're so consistent by using UV glue. I can make them small, I can make them bigger, but not too big, you guys. There are a lot of companies out there, and I've tested it. Manufacturers make, you know, spikes. They sell it in trays, and the spikes are already made, but guess what? It's very wasteful because the spikes are too thick and they're not consistent. So when it's too thick and too small, you pick it up, it's very wasteful, you know what I mean? And a lot of clients have their natural lashes are really, you know, thin, and they're really small, and the big spikes won't hold it. So let me tell you, the best way, you guys, to make spikes is on your own with my UV light. And let's talk about it, you guys. Look, okay, let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna pick up a spike. Oh, it's so beautiful. See, look at the base. The base, wow. See, the base is not bonded, and a lot of manufacturers, a lot of companies, man, those spikes that are already made, the base is too wide. It's too square, too wide, too flat, and I've used it. You're gonna damage your client's natural lashes using those manufactured spikes. So the best way, you guys, is this. Look, you want a spike, but at the base, you want to be able to wrap it, you know, around natural lashes. And let me show you guys. Okay, so what's great about making your own spikes like this, okay, is this, you guys. With UV glue, you have full control, because with UV glue, it doesn't cure. It does not cure until you press the button and you cure it, okay? Because with UV glue, it doesn't cure unless the UV light hits the glue, okay? So that's why you have full control of it. When you use traditional glue, okay, I've watched a lot of lash artists, and I know that a lot of people are gonna teach you, you know, when you make spikes and how to wrap it, oh, make sure that you use a slower glue so that, you know, you have time to wrap it. No, then you still don't have full control. I don't want to use a glue that I don't have full control over. So with my UV glue, you see, you have that opportunity to go in, okay, the base of the lashes, you have that opportunity to go and then, you know, wrap it, because with spikes, they're heavier than regular lashes, right? So with spikes, let me tell you, my experience with spikes is that if you don't place it correctly, look, you go, and then making spikes, it's so important that your direction is straight, or else, you know what, oh my gosh, let me tell you, if it goes to the left, to the right, oh my gosh, your sets are gonna look off, you know? So this allows you, with my UV glue, it allows you to wrap, you know, your lashes around the natural lashes, okay, giving it the best retention ever. Let me tell you, and UV glue, it has way better, 100% way better retention than regular glue, because once it's set, it's cured. But with regular traditional glue, you have to use bonder, okay? And if you don't use bonder, it takes like 24 hours for glue to dry, to cure completely from inside out, right? And then with traditional glue, even if you use bonder, you know, it also takes time. So with UV glue, it's the best of both worlds, you guys. See this, you guys? So going back to this, with UV glue, you get to wrap it, and when, you know, and when you're ready, boom, you press on it and it's nice and straight. You have that time to wrap it. You have that time to make sure that your spikes are nice and straight. And with UV glue, you get the best retention. Wow. So guys, I cannot wait. So make sure that you go onto, you subscribe to my Patreon, and you subscribe to my class, because in my class, I'm going to show you guys how to make the spikes, guys. How to make the spikes each and every way. I really go into detail, okay, because it's going to take like a long time to show you guys like different ways of making it, and I'm going to show you guys like how to wrap it appropriately, how to use UV glue as well. All right, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube and take a class through my YouTube Patreon. I hope to see you there. If not, make sure that you try it out, you guys. Make sure that you buy my UV glue. It is the best formula ever. It is not like other companies' glue, you guys. It is formulated especially for artists to have full control over lashing, okay? Making spikes, I mean, every application, you guys. All right, guys. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube, subscribe to my Patreon, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's all the same handle, you guys. Cammy Nguyen LLC. See you next time.